Hey, welcome to another one of our videos. I'm at the grocery today buying some chicken, and they had fresh sockeye salmon on sale for 10 bucks a pound. So I bought a 3/4 pound fillet. I came home, didn't have this planned, but as you've heard me say 100 times before, my daughter loves salmon. I'm going to make, I found a recipe online, I think it was called Bon Appetit. We're going to change it up, but it's a lemon sesame grilled salmon recipe. Stay with me. All right, let's get this going. Now, the most time that it takes to prepare this recipe today is preparing this lemon, right? Now, I'm using a Meyer lemon. I think these are actually, if I'm not mistaken, crossed. A lemon and an orange, if I remember how Meyers came about. Okay. So what we're going to do, as you can see, I'm cutting all four sides off of this guy. Right? Then we're actually going to just cut this lemon up, peel, rind, and all. And I'm going to get it real diced up real fine. And as soon as I get it diced up, we'll be right back. All right, so you can see here I've got my Meyer's lemon cut up. You know, it's diced up pretty good. All right. We're going to bring a bowl into this pitcher, and we're going to put this Meyer's lemon, this rind and the zest, whatever you want to call it, pith, I think that's what it's called, the whole thing in there, right? All right. Now what I'm going to do is squeeze the juice, right? So now I'm not getting, other than that one seed I just picked out, I'm not getting any seeds in here. All the seeds are staying inside this guy. In fact, there's some of them on top of my hand. All right, there was one. All right. Now we're going to put in 1/3 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. I got 2 teaspoons of black sesame seeds. I got a couple of tablespoons of parsley, and I got about 2.5 tablespoons of chopped up onion. All right. And then the last thing we're going to put in here is a little sesame oil. Now, I don't know if you've cooked much with sesame oil, but it is extremely strong. So we're going to put about a teaspoon. You don't want to be putting too much sesame oil unless you just love the flavor of sesame oil. Now, the last thing we have, I don't know why I'm shaking it, I've got some honey here. Now, I'm using local Florida. This is Thomas Honey Wildflower. Hey, use whatever honey you have. We're going to add about a tablespoon. Well, maybe a teaspoon and a half is what it's closer to. All right. Now I'm out of cracked pepper, so I got some other pepper here we're going to put in about a teaspoon. All right. And then I'm going to come back in with some, oh wow, I haven't even opened this yet. And we're going to come back in here with about 1/2 teaspoon or a teaspoon thereabouts of kosher salt. All right. Now, we're just going to mix this, what do you want to call this? A sauce, whatever it's called. I'm sure somebody that's taken culinary classes has got a name for this kind of thing. I'm not going to heat it up. I'm just going to get it all mixed in together. And then I'm going to set this aside. In fact, I'm going to take it inside and let it sit where it's air conditioned. And we're going to get this salmon on the grill. All right, what I've got here is 3/4 pound fillet of fresh sockeye salmon. I wasn't even planning to do this today, but it was on sale. It was like 10 bucks a pound. We're talking fresh here, okay? And I know you guys have heard me say 100 times, my daughter loves salmon, and I'll do just about anything for my daughter, just like you do for yours, okay? So I don't know, I got maybe a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil on there, all right? Now, you could finish this right now, prepare this salmon, just a little salt and a little pepper. That's all you need. I happen to have, you know, we're going with this whole lemon sesame theme. I have this Tennessee whiskey lemon pepper seasoning, all right? So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of this on there. And we're not going to go too heavy because we got that sauce, right, that we made, or whatever you want to call that we made. You know, so just going to put a little bit on there. Lemon pepper. And like I said, you can use a little salt, a little pepper, and be good with that. Now I am going to come back in with the little kosher salt. I love salt. I don't think there's too many things that can be too salty for me. This is a big grain, so we're just going to go a little bit light. All right, and there we go. Now, let's get this over to the grill. Okay, I've got this grill, 350 degrees. You know, I'm going to spray a little olive, or Pam, whatever you call it on here. You could rub it down with oil, just to help this fish from sticking. Okay. We're going to put our piece of salmon in here. And by the way, you want to make sure you have skin. Skin side down, all right? And it's not going to take very long. It's only been about 8 minutes. This salmon's already up to 140, and I want to get a little color on it, right? I'm tearing it up because I'm not paying attention. But I'm going to flip this guy over just to get a little, you know, grill mark on it. You can see I tore the skin off. All right, we're going to make this work anyway. Stuff happens sometimes, okay? So let me just get the skin off to the side. It'll only take a couple more minutes. We're up to 145. Let's get this piece of salmon off here, and I'll show you how we're going to serve this bad boy up. Let me get this piece I tore it off. Okay, so we've got our salmon here. And now what we're going to do is take that awesome sauce, okay, that we made. Well, you know, we don't know if it's awesome, but sure seems like it's going to be awesome, okay? And I'm going to give this a try. You guys know Tammy, she's going to help me try this salmon, this lemon, ginger, lemon sesame. Here, no, here, I got yours.
Oh, thank you. Here you go.
I'll have manners. Okay. She's a big salmon person too. I know you heard me 2 or 3 times talk about my daughter, but Tammy loves salmon also.
That's really good.
What do you think?
I think it's delicious.
You definitely get the lemon? Mm-hmm. The sesame to me is mild. I like the sesame. It's at the very tail end, isn't it?
I'm surprised you like the sesame.
I am too, because I'm not a big sesame guy, but I love this. This is great.
That's really good.
Hey, this
I
is
like the lemon stuff that you got.
This is the first piece of salmon I've never brined. And I think it's juicy. I mean, it's moist, don't you think? Mm-hmm. The flavor is very, like, summerish, right? Mm-hmm. Like, very light, and it's got a very light lemon in the background.
Really good. I think Brian's going to love it.
The parsley is just very mild back there. I really like this. I'm surprised. I mean, I didn't know. I mean, I like my salmon smoked and with a cherry. This is a great change up.
Can I say I like it better than the smoked?
You like it better than the smoked?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching another one of our videos. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, hit the it's a bell, right? And then you'll know about all of our new videos.